Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I am Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Queen Angella from She-Ra and the Princesses of Power. Now, yes, that is the remake, the Netflix remake, not the original series, because that was She-Ra, the Princess of Power. This is the Princesses of Power. Anyway, I had to say real quickly, this, I love this foundation. I was going to do a wear test on, but I have the wrong shade, so I need to go and exchange that before I can do that today. And it's going to be the third attempt by the time I actually get this out. So I might actually not do it. I don't know. Queen Angela is a really, I liked her character from the beginning. And yeah, I am not going to say any spoilers, so all I'm gonna say is she's the queen of Bright Moon, the mother of Glimmer, and she's a queen. Oh wait, where's my crown? I should put on a crown. Oh well, didn't do it. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my brows, which they are looking a little dark, but I'm actually okay with it. Somehow. I used something I hadn't used in a while. This is the espresso. It doesn't have a full name on here. It's the Wet n Wild Espresso Brow Pomade. And I actually went on top with the Nothing But Brunette Brow Mascara. And I was hoping it would lighten it up just a little bit, but I mean, it did when I first applied, but then it like dried down and went dark as well. So, c'est la vie. Anyway, we're gonna go to the eyes that are already primed and set. And today for Angela, I'm using the Huda Beauty Neon Pink Obsessions palette. Like, I look at this, I'm like, this is literally Angela. And I will say on camera, not as neon as it looks in person, 100%. But we're gonna have fun with this. So, do they have names? Not really. Okay. By the way, I did go in with extra primer and extra powder, just because I know these are pressed pigments. I do not want my skin to stain, so I went in with extra, just because. And the first shade I'm going to dip into is actually going to be this one right here, in the upper left corner. Again, there's no names, so we're just going to use this. It's kind of like a nice coral, which reminds me of Angela's hair. Okay, that was really pigmented. I really went in very lightly, and that picked up so quickly. And I will say though, looks very different from the pan. It is very much pink, while it's pulling more coral salmon-y in the pan. And again, I think that might just be the palette itself being so colorful with its bases that it sets off the colors. So I'm going to keep that in mind. Now I'm going to go lightly with this shade right here, just to like go right under to slightly deepen it. Okay, next I had to go into this hot pink. Let's go for it. They pick up so well on brushes. Okay, putting it just lower into the crease. I'm really blown away by this palette so far. Again, on camera, not going as well as, like, if you look at this, it is literally like bright neon. Like, let's see if I dim it. You can kind of see it a little bit. Like, this is neon. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm obsessing over this. Okay, now I'm going to take this nice purple and place that on the outer edge. So one thing about the purple right here is that you do need to slightly pack it on for it to really stand out. So I'm just going to do that real quickly with a different brush just to pack. I'm obsessing. I'm loving it, honestly. Okay. Did I forget to grab that? No. I need to grab. Oh, I forgot to grab that too. So I'm going to grab my liquid catsuit eyeshadow, cut like I normally do, and then we're going to go back in to one of these shadows. I'm going to probably use two. I'm going to start with this one right here, followed by this one. Or this one and this one. I don't know. I know I'm going to use this one like towards like this area. Then we're going to ombre into the other colors. But yeah, we're going to see. I'll be right back. Okay, so again, I'm going to be going into this shade right here on the outer area. And since these are a little like flaky, like I know the formula is a little flaky, I'm taking it on a silicone paddle. Now I'm going to dip into this more pink color, which looks gorgeous. Just slather that on the rest of the lid. Okay, so I had a little bit of fallout, and I did have to go back in with the first shade, and I did wet it, but it does look pretty. Like in person, you had that multi-chromal almost effect. It is obviously duochrome, but it does have like almost a multi-chromal look to it. I will say I kind of wish I would have gone in with a different shade in here, probably using this pink. Actually, let me see real quickly what's on top. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to redo this eye, and then I'm going to take that brighter pink, put that more on the outer, and then use that more purple blue shift towards the center. I mean, towards the inner. Just because that looks so much better. If it would have been out here, this probably would look better more inside. So I'm going to go change that real quickly. I'm going to do this eye off camera. I'm going to come back so you can see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm loving this eye look now. We're getting that pink to purple blue duochrome. I'm loving it. I do say for some reason this eye is looking better. This eye is looking chunky. I don't know why. I honestly don't. Let me see if I can get some of the chunk off. Okay, that seems to help a little bit. But I'm going to real quickly head off camera, maybe do some liner. I haven't done liner in a moment. For this look, I might add some liner, if so. Fenty. Going to do my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm loving how this is looking so far. Highlights on. And now we're going to go into the under eye. And we're not going to do like I normally do. Surprise! We're not. I really want to play up with this lilac color. So I'm just going to like smoke that out on the other eye. I'm going to smoke it out after I add this first purple. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade that I originally put over here, and now I'm going to just take that and put that on the inner corner of the eye. Now for the waterline, I'm actually going to use this sweat-proof eyeshadow But I saw Tati use these as eyeliners and they look really pretty. And this is the Keep Going Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick, a waterproof and sweatproof eyeshadow stick from the Wet n Wild Pump collection. This is in the shade Mauve. Go. Now we're gonna move on to the lips, which I'm gonna use a color that's gonna be a lot of fun. I had to get this for multiple reasons. A, for this look. B, because it was my zodiac color with Fenty. And if you know I'm a Virgo, you know what this is. This is Ballerina Blackout. Okay, so this is very much a Barbie pink color. And I'm looking at like, this is very bright. But I actually kind of like it. I feel like I could actually use this instead for like eyeliner. Could have probably used this for eyeliner today, but I decided not to. So now I'm going to quickly pop on a gloss, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Snobby. Real quickly, I'm going to set my face with some setting spray, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the final look, and I have to say, love the eyes, not so much the face, lips, on the fence. But honestly, gotta say, this blew me away. I used almost every color. The only one I did not use was the light blue shift, I think. This one up here. But otherwise, everything else just like, it looks so good. I'm like looking even the under eyes, I'm like, yeah, that's gorgeous. So definitely gonna use that again, possibly for a glimmer look later in the future. But I honestly just, I'm looking at the eyes, I'm like, okay, these eyes did not come to play today. Everything else came to play and failed. Like new foundation, I'm just like slightly over it. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time we see a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Shit.